everyone, we are from Blue World team. We would like to present our project called Water for Life. This project was created by Rasya, Rehan, Aldebran, Bintang, and Alina. Indonesia is the biggest continent country in the world. It is placed on the Ring of Fire, consists of volcanic belt extending from the island of Sumatra, Java, Nusa Tenggara, and Sulawesi. Not only active volcanoes, but Indonesia is also surrounded with continent plates such as Asia, Australia, and others. This condition causes Indonesia to have the highest potential for disaster countries in the world, such as earthquake, tsunami, flood, etc. The most important when the disaster attack is electricity will go down. So, the supply of fresh water will also stop. That's why the people who are the victim of disaster will easily get sick. The purpose of this project is to create a simple filter using materials that are easy to find and can solve the problem when the fresh water cannot be supplied in the disaster area. Tools and material. First, 3 pieces container for filter material, 1 filter tube, filter carton, 2 pieces bottle with 500 milliliter, measuring cup. The steps are: first, the tube will be filled with 3 kinds of filter material: silica sand, carbon active, and microzeolite, each for 5 cm high. After the tube was filled with the filter material, we insert the raw water from a river in Semarang City. The test result shows that the filtered water color is clear. We hope that this project can help people in the world to produce fresh water that can directly be cooked, especially for people in the isolated area and disaster victims, so that they can still consume healthy water. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time!